Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, children. Hello, how are you? How are you, children?
Varsha Miss, please unmute yourself.
Hello. Good afternoon, children. Can you hear me, children? Yes, very good. Okay, Payal, good afternoon. Yes. Okay, children. Last time we started our lesson number 8. The name of the lesson is Care for Animals, Caring for Plants and Animals. Okay. And we completed first topic was to discuss was what? Plants. We discuss about a plants. Only we discuss about a plants. We learned last time, just listen properly. We learned last time, where do we see when we go to school, where do we see the plants? We see the plants in the garden. We see the plants in the park. This is a recap, children. This is a recap. Refresh your mind. We can see the roadside. We can see the plants in a house. We can see the plants in a field. We can see the plants in the forest. है ना? These are the places where we can see the plants. Okay, children, there are many different types of plants. And also, children, we learn that there are many trees also in the forest. Children, you know what are the uses of tree? How they help us? Trees give us shade. I had showed you, children, this is a recap. First, let me complete the first topic of plants, then we will move ahead. Okay, children? So, they are the home for many birds and animals. Many animals and birds live on tree. Okay, first trees give us shade. Second number, they are home for many birds and animal. Many birds and animal live on tree. So trees are, I'm talking about the uses of trees. Okay. Trees have colorful leaves and flowers. You might have seen many trees which have colorful leaves and flowers. They make our surrounding beautiful. Trees make our surrounding beautiful. And some trees gave us fruits. So, children, we should take care of the tree. We should take care of the tree. ट्रीज हमारे लिए बहुत बहुत बेनिफिट्स है. ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल शेड. सेकेंड, they are the home of the animals and birds. They have colorful leaves and flowers, and they gave us fruits. So we should take care of any birds. Okay. And children, we learned also what can we do to protect, how you will protect them, how you will protect your plants, how you will protect the plants. I had showed y'all, we must not cut the tree. We must not cut the tree. If we will cut the trees, then we will not get fresh air. We will not get oxygen. We will not get fruit. We won't be able to eat different types of fruits. Yes or no? So, trees are very, very important for the environment. Okay. So, we should not cut tree. Very, very important. And we should plant one tree. Children, you too also can plant one tree. Okay. And we can use a plant cage. बेबी प्लांट को बचाने के लिए एक केज में उनको रखने का, बेबी प्लांट. एंड वी शुड वाटर देम रेगुलरली, रोज पानी देने का. सो दिस वे वी कैन टेक द care of plants. Okay. So this we learned on last lecture. Okay. Now, today I had told you we are going to discuss about the animals. We are going to discuss about the animals. Now, children, can you tell me, where do we find different animals in our surrounding? When you go out for marketing, when you go to school, which animal you can see, children? Can you tell me? Which animal you can see? Yes, you can see dog. You can see dog on the street. है ना? जब स्कूल जाते हैं, मार्केटिंग में हम लोग डॉग को देखते हैं ना. There are many dogs on the street. Street मतलब road, है ना? We see many dogs on the street or on the roads. And children, tell me, I will show you later on which other animals you can see on the street. Yes, tell me. Yes. Very good. Cat, very good. Pig, very good. Cow, very good. Very good. Correct. Karishma, very good. Buffalo, cow, very good. Yes. Birds, yes. Hen, correct. Now we can see cat on the street. हम लोग बिल्ली को भी देख सकते हैं on the street, road पे, है ना? Meow, meow. We can see the street cat on the street. See, the policeman is protecting the cat. Okay. See, Alisha, very good. And which other animal we can see on the street? You can tell me your own. Yes. Yes. Yes, Yashashri. Gargi, yes. And we can see cattle. We can see cattle on the street. See, they are roaming around on the street. Cattle घूम रहे हैं on the street. Yes. Cattle on the street. So we saw dog on the street. cat on the street, kettles on the street. Okay. Now I'll ask you which animals can we see on the street. So you have to tell me, Miss. Dog, cat, kettles. We can see goat also. Na children, sometimes we see goat also. Cattle means cow and buffalo, beta. Cattle means cow and buffaloes. It's called a cattles. Okay. Yeah, we cannot. Yes, pig. You can see goat, sheep. You can write. Okay. Now, some animals can be seen at the zoo. Now, we learn street animals. जो animals street पे होते हैं, वो पढ़ा हम लोगों ने. Now we will see some animals can be seen at the zoo. Can you children see the picture and tell me which animals you can see in the zoo, at the zoo? Yes, come on, tell me. See the picture. Which animal you can see? Yes, you can see tiger, you can see, very good. Lion, very good. You can see panda, very good. You can see kangaroo, yes, correct. Gorilla. We can see these animal, gorilla, this. Oh. We can see we can see giraffe, we can see elephant, and a monkey, gorilla, panda. There are many, many more animals which we can see, deer, which we can see, fox also, which we can see at the zoo. Different type of animals we can see the animals at the zoo. Okay. Now see the picture properly. I will ask you the question. Okay. See now. Okay. See, you love zoo. Then once you go now, there is a lockdown. You cannot go. But when lockdown will be over, you can visit at the zoo. Okay. And you can see many, many animals at the zoo. Okay. Now see, children, now we saw which animals we see at the zoo. Now we will see which animals are seen at the pond or lake, around the lakes and pond. कौन से animal lake और pond के में रहते हैं? Now we have to see. Just see the topic is different. Some animals are seen around the lakes and pond. जो तालाब में रहते हैं या छोटा सा pond में रहते हैं. Okay, we are going to see. Now this is a frog. Frog. We can see the frog around the lakes and pond. या तो lakes में होते हैं या pond में रहते हैं. Frog. Yeah, this is not a crocodile, bacha. This is a frog. And what else we can see around the lakes and frog? Can you tell me? Come on, tell me. Yes, I'm asking you all. Frogs are there. What else? Which animals we can see around the lakes? और कौन से lakes में और pond में रहते हैं? Rabbit? No, beta. Ducks, very good. Snakes. Snakes, lakes and pond. Fish, very good. Ducks, very good. See, we can see the different types of fishes around the lakes and ponds. Yes, duck is correct, my dear. Fish is also correct. Okay, now ducks. Very good. Those who answered ducks, very good. Well done, my dear. Ducks. Goldfish, yes. They live. We can see these animals or birds around the lakes and pond. Okay. Now, see, this is the lake. See, there is a duck around the lake, swimming in the lake. Duck is swimming in the lake. है ना? Now, next, pond, fishes. This is a pond. We can see the fishes, many fishes in the pond. Now, children, we will see some animal we see on the farm. Farm means the field on the farm. Which animals we can see on the farm? Come on, tell me. Farm में जो खेती बाड़ी करते हैं उनके लिए काम आते हैं. Yes, we can see farm में. Farm, those who have farm na, children, those who have farm, उनको अपना farm रहता है. Yes, we can see many actors have a farm. They go and stay there and look after the animals. जो actors लोग होते हैं ना, वो लोग जाते हैं लोनावाला, उनको अपना farm रहता है, and they look after the animals like cow, horse. They take care of the animals. Now, which animals we can see on the farm or field? Farm में भी देख सकते हैं, field में भी देख सकते हैं. So this is a cow, and we can see many animals on the field also. We can see cow, buffalo. Many people keep donkey also on the farm, you know, children. We can see donkey also, many people. Okay. Now, goat also we can see on the field and farm. Many people keep goat also. बहुत सारे लोग हैं ना, goat and they keep goat on the farm or field. Okay. Goat or sheep also we can keep. Now, buffalo. See, the buffalo can be seen on the field or on the farm. Okay, children? Now, children, there are many animals which are found in the forest. अभी forest में कौन कौन रहता है? Which animals who we find in the forest? Which animal we find in the forest? जंगल में हम कौन से animals देखते हैं? We can see deer. Can you see, children? We can see deer. We can see panda. We can see many animals. We can see in the forest. We can see elephant, tiger, cheetah, panda, monkey, many giraffe. Many animals we can see in the forest. Jungle, polar bear. Yes, these are the animals. Children, I will ask at the last 10 minutes. Last में मैं पूछेगी. Those who will answer first, no, I will clap for them. Okay. So some animals are found in the forest. You can answer anyone. Tiger, elephant, cheetah. There are many animals where we find in the forest. Okay. Now, children, what can we do to protect our animals? We should provide them with food and water. See, हम लोग अपने animals को कैसे care करेंगे? How you will protect your animals? How you will protect your animals? तुम लोग animals को कैसे बचाओगे? How you will take care of your animals? We should first important, हम लोग उनको अच्छा प्रॉपर खाना देना चाहिए. वी शुड प्रोवाइड food and water. We should provide them with food and water. If you will not give food and water on the time, the animals and birds will die. We should take care by giving them food and water. मर जाएंगे अगर हम लोग उनको खाना और पानी नहीं देंगे. Okay, so very important that we should provide them with food and water. Yes, Prajal, home also. Yes, my dear, very good. And next is we should provide them food. See, the girl is giving them food to the animals and birds. How she's feeding the animals and birds. See, we can see many animals. We can see cats. See, many animals you can see how she is feeding the animals and birds. If you will not give them proper food, they will die. So we should love the animals. We should take care of the animals. Okay, because they are very useful for us. Okay, they are very useful in many ways. Okay, the next is name a street animal. Name a street animal. जो street animal रोड पे कौन से एनिमल्स होते हैं? We can see dog, cat and cattle. Cattle means dog. We can see buffalo, cows. Okay. Now children, second point is we can use bird feeder to provide food and water. Birds को we can use. हम लोग birds को खाना देने के लिए we can use bird feeder. This is called a bird feeder. Children, we will do activity on bird feeder. How to make bird feeder? Okay, when we will complete our portion, at the last, we will do this activity, how to make a bird feeder so that you all can also keep at home. Huh, children? We will do one activity on bird feeder. How to make? I will teach you. Okay, children? Kanishka? Yes or no? Come on. This is called Yashashri. So I will tell you which material will be required. I will tell you later on when I will complete my portion. At the last, we will do this activity how to make bird feeder. Okay. See, this is a bird feeder. This is called a bird feeder. See, birds are how they are eating grains. Okay. This is called a bird feeder. Okay. Now, next is third one is we should take care and we should not harm animals. हम लोग को उनकी केयर करनी चाहिए और हार्म नहीं करना चाहिए. वी मस्ट नॉट हिट द एनिमल. मारना भी नहीं चाहिए, है ना. वी शुड लव द एनिमल. वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ एनिमल्स. ओके. यस. नेक्स्ट, which animals do we see in the zoo? Zoo में, see children, this is a revision of it. Which animal do we see in the zoo? At the zoo, we can see many animals at the zoo. Elephant, lion, tiger, deer, monkey, donkey, and many more. Okay. Now, next is children, name an animal we can see on the tree. कौन से एनिमल जो ट्री में रहते हैं? We find on a tree. You see the picture and tell me. See the picture and tell me which animal we can find on a tree. ट्री में कौन से एनिमल और बर्ड्स रहते हैं? You can see the picture and answer me. Yes, if you'll see the picture, you will remember easily. So see the picture properly, children. Yes, crow, parrot. I want to know from you. Yes, squirrel, monkey, bees. Bees also make honey on some tree, है ना? They make honey. They make hive. See, this is on some tree. See, we can, the crow live on the tree, parrot, squirrel, monkey. There are many animals and birds can live on the tree. We can find these animals on the tree. Okay. Snake, becha, snakes lives in the hole under the, yeah. Yes, inside the hole, yes. On the tree, these animals live on the tree. But inside the hole, snake lives. Yes. Yes. How are tree useful to animal? Trees है ना, animals के लिए कैसे काम आते हैं? What they do? Trees are good for animal. Why? They are useful to animal. Many animals use trees for resting. Rest करते हैं many animals on tree. Nesting, they make nest on the tree. They make nest for keeping their young ones or eggs, and for placing from which to hunt or capture prey. Okay, they can see the animals from the top for hunting and how to capture their prey. वो लोग शिकार के लिए छुप के बैठते हैं, कोई आएगा तो जंप मार के उनको पकड़ के खा जाएंगे. So many animals, they trees are useful to animals. Okay, रेस्ट करने के लिए, नेस्ट बनाने के लिए. Okay, these are the useful for animal. Trees are very, very important for us. Bat also, yes, Yashashri, bat also live on tree. Yes, children, correct. उल्टा टंगा होता है ना, bat. So children, now we learned this. Now children, tell me, which of the following give us shade? Yes, come on, tell me. Which of the following give us shade? Baby plant, कौन शेड देता है, किसके नीचे हम लोग को छांव देता है? Which is correct? Yes, correct. Yes, D, trees give us shade. I think you all have understood the lesson very well, thoroughly. We will do again a revision. Okay, I want that everyone should know all the answers properly. Okay, now come to next question. Which of the following do plants give us? हमको plants में से क्या मिलता है? What do we get from the plants? Which is the correct answer? Egg, we get egg? No. We get milk from plants? No. Yes. Fruits, we get fruits from the plants. Okay. Many trees give us fruits. I explain you later. Now last time. Yes, so we get fruits also from the plants. Fruits is the correct. Okay. Now next, Siddhi, very good. Next, the given picture shows, see the picture. Which picture it is? Plants in a garden, plants in a house, plants in a field, trees in a forest. Which is the correct answer? Correct. Very good. Which is the correct answer? A, plants in a garden. No, bacha, no, but D, trees in a forest. This is a forest. There are big, big trees Can you see the picture, my dear? Tree. So D is the correct answer. These all the question will come for EVS oral. Okay. So be careful, children. See the picture properly. Trees in a forest. We can see the picture. Okay. So D is the correct. Now next, below are the picture of some animal. Find the odd one out. Which is the odd one? Yes. A is the odd one out. A, tiger. Okay. Now, A is the correct answer. Now, match the following. See the picture and tell me the answer. See A side and B side. Which is the correct answer? Which is the correct? What, what is boy doing? Yes, correct. Boy is giving a bath to a horse. The boy is giving a bath to horse. So B is correct answer. Very good. Now see second one. See second one. Which is a correct? A, yes. A, keeping food. Yes, for birds. Yes, number correct. Number next, tell me this. No, children, not C is not a correct. See, there is a plate also. There is a bowl also. You can see. Correct. It's a giving a food to dog. Giving a food to dog. Okay, yes, 11th one. Which is correct? Yes, correct. See the dog, there is a doctor. The boy is taking his pet to the doctor. So taking a dog to the doctor. So option C is the correct. Okay. Very good. Now, children, tell me, we find dash. Yes, come on, tell me. Different plants around us. Tell me answer. Same or different types of plants around us. Yes. We find same types of plants or we can see different types of plants around us. Yes. Come on, tell me. Same or different? Give me one option. Yes. हम लोग सेम टाइप के प्लांट्स देखते हैं बच्चा. No, we can see different types of plants around us. Different types of plants we can see. What is spelling of different? D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. अलग अलग टाइप के प्लांट्स हम लोग देखते हैं. Different types of plants around us. Okay, now tell me this. Dash is animal found in field. Field. Which animal we can see? Yeah. Children, how do you know so very fast answer you are giving? Yeah. Oh. The cow is, we can see, animal found in the field. Yes. Next. Cow is the correct answer. Very good. The next is, children, now I will ask you some reading. Okay. I will give you 5 minutes. 2 to 3 children. I will ask any one of you Okay, you have to take the reading. Okay, so children, can you tell me, one of you? Yes, Krishna. Krishna, are you there, Krishna? Krishna, are you there? Come on, tell me, one of you. Yashashri, are you there, beta? Yashashri.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, beta. Read this passage. See the screen. Read this passage, beta. See the screen, or you can take out EVS textbook. Are you there? Page number 32. Are you there? Yashashri? No? Okay, next. Okay, Prajaval. Yashashri, unmute yourself, my dear. Prajaval,
Yes, teacher.
read this passage. Can you see you can see the passage on the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Read,
We
beta.
we also see different type of animal
Types.
of animals around
Yes. Around us.
us. Use some are for
Found on the
found on the
mm,
stands
street.
stream for
Street.
explain dog
For example,
dogs, cat, and cattle.
cattle. Very good. These are the animals which we can see on the street. Next.
Animal can be
Seen.
seen at
Mm,
zoo.
Yes.
For
Example. For example.
example, monkeys, bears, and so
On.
animals like frog, fish, and ducks.
Are seen
Are seen in
and around lakes
and around lakes, the
and ponds
plant.
ponds. Yes, very good. Yes.
Often see goats and squirrel, moose, goats, and
Cows, goats. Yes, very good.
and
Mm.
this Th- this,
that we see on farm or fields. Yes. Next, last line. Oh my God.
some animals are found in
Found. Yes.
a forest,
Or jungle.
jungle.
Yes.
Example:
Ah,
elephant, lion, and tiger.
very good. Very good. Okay. Very good, children. Take practice. Okay, my dear.
Yes, teacher.
So
Thank
unmute
you.
yourself. Unmute yourself, my dear. Yes. Next. Yes. Piyush Gorpore. Are you there? Piyush Gorpore.
Yes, miss.
Yes, okay, children. My dear Piyush, you take out, see the screen and read it.
We
Mhm.
are
Also,
also see
mhm,
different types of animals
yes,
around you. So, some are
found
found
found on the
streets of
street
or
means road. Which animal we can see on that road or street? We can see dog, cats, cattle, है ना?
and cattle. Some animals
Can be
can
seen
be
mm,
seen
at the
at the zoo for
yes. Example,
the
monkeys
bears
and
so on.
very good. Okay, stop. Very good. Stop, Piyush. And now time is getting up. So next time again I will take a revision of this lesson. Okay, reading. So children, have a nice day. Okay, have a nice day, children, and take practice of reading. So children, bye. Bye all of you. Bye children.